How to make instant churros. The Mexican version of a quick fried cake, churros are incredible tasty treats that couldn't be easier to make. Whether you want to craft them from scratch or are looking for a quicker fix, anyone can whip up a batch of churros at home. Step 1. Purchase a roll of pre-made biscuits from your favorite brand. The dough in a real churro is a little different than the dough in a biscuit, but the basic ingredients are the same and they will cook similarly. It is usually best to use the smaller biscuits, allowing you to more easily fry everything. If you don't want the fat of biscuit batter, you can use 1 cup hot water and 3¼ cups of your favorite all-purpose pancake mix. Blend into a dough and proceed like normal. Step 2. Take 2 biscuits and roll them in between your hands into 10-inch ropes. Churros need to be long and thin in order to really cook nicely. Try to make all the ropes roughly the same diameter for the best results. Step 3. Twist biscuits together and pinch ends. Simply make a rope out of the biscuits by braiding one over the other. When done, pinch both ends together to fuse them. You can also lightly roll the whole thing together to keep the centers together. Step 4. Alternatively, use an icing pipette or icing bag to pump out the strips. Simply put the dough into a large plastic bag, then snip off the bottom corner with scissors. You can push the dough straight out the bottom of the bag in perfect strips. Step 5. Pour vegetable oil into a medium-sized frying pan. Heat until it reached 375 F. Make sure there is about 2 inches (5.1 centimeters) of oil in the pan to cover the churros. There should be enough oil so that they float freely while frying, and all sides, except the very top, are being cooked at the same time. If you don't have an oil thermometer, 375 is when there is barely smoke coming off the top of the oil. Don't let it get much farther than this point. Step 6. Drop the dough twists into the pan, turning occasionally. Fry for about 2 minutes, or until golden brown. They don't take long, but you can easily see when they are finished by the color on the outsides. Once they look good to eat, they usually are. Step 7. Remove the churros with the slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel. Pat them down with paper towels to remove excess oil, which will make them soggy if it cools on the churro. Step 8. Roll the twisted dough in cinnamon and sugar mixture. In a separate bowl, mix up ½ cup of sugar with a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then roll the warm churros in the mixture to coat them deliciously. Step 9. Serve warm, with chocolate dip if desired. They are fine on their own or with a delicious chocolate dip. Enjoy! Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.